Yeah. So I was telling you that 103 the whole cubed should be written as 100 plus 3 the whole cubed, which is of the form a plus b the whole cubed, where a is 100 and b is 3. So a plus b the whole cubed is equal to a cubed plus b cubed plus 3ab into a plus b. You need to use this identity to find the value of 103 the whole cube. Wherever we have a, use 100 and b, use 3. The same thing with 98. 98 should be written as 100 minus 2. You should not find this product 98 into 98 into 98. It's not like that. The answer will be the same, but the procedure is not this. You are expected to use an identity. So 98 cubed should be written as 100 minus 2, the whole cube. So now this is of the form a minus b, the whole cubed, where a is 100 and b is 2. So a minus b, the whole cubed, is a cubed minus b cubed minus 3ab into a minus b. You need to substitute the values of a and b, 100 and 2, in this formula, in this identity, sorry, and evaluate 98 cubed. So in the same way, 9.9 should be written as 10 minus 0.1, the whole cube. 10.4 should be written as 10 plus 0.4, the whole cube. 598 should be written as 600 minus 2, the whole cubed. And 99 should be written as 100 minus 1, the whole cubed. So all these must be evaluated using the identity a plus b, the whole cubed, or a minus b, the whole cubed. And in question number 3, okay, what is the answer for question number 3? What's the answer? Question number 3?
753, ma'am.
How much?
Minus 199753.
Minus, you're talking about the third one. Are you giving me the third answer, Swati?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, minus
199753.
minus 19573, yeah?
9753, ma'am. 199753.
Oh, 199573.
753, ma'am.
Oh, I'm so sorry, darling. I'm so sorry. 199753. I hope I'm right. Is this what you're saying?
Yes, ma'am. Minus. Adding minus before the number.
Okay, so you found what's the, like, just read out your steps, Swati.
Ma'am, it's like a square minus b square equals a plus b into a minus b. So adding these two numbers, we get 199753, and subtracting that two number, we get minus 1, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, perfect. So now this should be treated as a squared minus b squared. This one is treated as a squared minus b squared. So if the question looks like a squared minus b squared, then the answer is a plus b into a minus b. If the question looks like a squared minus b squared, then the answer is a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b. Yeah. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A here is 99876 and b is 99877. So 99876 the whole squared, which is a squared, minus 99877 the whole square, which is b square, is equal to a plus b 99876 plus 99877 into A minus B, 99876 minus 99877. So on adding, you get 13 1 carried over, 5 1 carried over, 7 1 carried over, 9 1 carried over, 19. Am I right, Swati? Yeah, I think this is what you said. Yeah, into the difference is -1. The difference between these two numbers is -1. So now when you multiply these two, you get -199,753. So this is the result. Okay. So here you'll have to evaluate using the identity a squared minus b squared. The second one, what's the answer for the second one, children? All of you, please participate.
40. 40. 40. 40.
40. Yeah, very good. So what I have done is I've taken up the equation given and I've squared it on both the sides. I've squared it on both the sides. So squaring on both the sides, a square 2ab b square is equal to 64. Now we need to find 4x square plus 9y square. 4x square plus 9y square plus 12xy is equal to 64, but the value of xy is given 2. So 12 into 2. 12 into 2, 24 goes to the other side as minus 24 and it's 40. Please take a screenshot or use a mobile phone to capture the picture if you have not worked it or not got the right answer. Yeah. Let me work all this so I'll not take your time. What's the answer for the fifth one?
58. 58.
58. Yeah, even I have the same thing. Very similar to the second one. 58 is the correct answer. Yeah. Check this one. So here we are given 9x squared plus 25y squared. We need to find 3x plus 5y. So in this case, what you have to do is you should not write this and square on both the sides. If you square this one on both the sides, you will get power 4. If you square this one both the sides, you will get power 4. So that's not going to help you. Whatever you have to find, square that. Whatever you have to find, 3x plus 5y, square that one. So 3x plus 5y, the whole square is equal to, you expand it. You have to find this. So you write that and square it and you expand it. So it's a plus b the whole square, which is a square b square 2ab. So now you get 9x squared 25y squared and this is 30xy. The value of xy is minus 6. So you get 181 minus 180, which is 1. What is 1? 3x plus 5y. The whole square is 1. 3x plus 5y, the whole square is 1. So 3x plus 5y is equal to plus or minus square root of 1, which is plus or minus 1. If you have just written plus 1 also is fine. 3x plus 5y is equal to square root of 1, which is 1. That's also fine. Plus or minus 1 is also right. Or simply 1 is also fine. Because this is 3x plus 5y, the whole square. See here. So 3x plus 5y is plus or minus 1 or simply 1. Yeah, check this one. Here also, there is no point. You should not square this one. That will not help you. Whatever you have to find, you write that and you square it. You want to find this, right? So you write that and square it. And what is the result? A minus B the whole square is A square minus 2AB plus B square. You have the value of xy, so use the value of xy. So 17 minus 8, 9. X minus 2y, the whole square is 9. So x minus 2y is equal to the square root of 9. So x minus 2y is plus or minus 3. If you square this one, it will not help you. So whatever you have to find, write that, square it. And it looks like a minus b the whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. Yeah. What's the answer for this one? X cube plus y cube.
1656.
1656. No. I have 756. Check if my answer is right. I've done this in two ways. To find x cubed plus y cubed, you can use the identity straight away. X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y the whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. Identity. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. You can use identity straight away and substitute the values. X plus y is 12. So 12 cubed minus 3 into x into y. So 3 into 27 and x plus y is 12. 3 into this one is 27 and this one is 12. Or what you can do is you have x plus y is equal to 12. You can cube this on both sides. Why should you cube it on both sides? Because we'll have to find x cube plus y cube. We'll have to find x cube plus y cube. The power is 3 here. So you should not square on both the sides. You should cube on both the sides. There's another way of doing alternate solution. X plus y is equal to 12. Cube on both the sides. So so x plus y the whole cube is equal to 12 cubed. So what is a plus b the whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to 1728. The value of xy is 27. This one is 12. So on finding this product and transposing, taking this to the other side, x cube plus y cube is 756. I think, Bhavisha, you said the same thing. By mistake, you said 1756, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Or maybe when subtracting, you just put a 1 accidentally. Yeah. Yeah, check this answer. So here also you can. Yeah, sorry. So here you have this equation, and you should not square on both the sides because the power is 3, as you can see here. It's x cubed and y cubed. So there's an equation given to us. There's an equation given to us, 3x minus 2y is equal to 11. You need to cube on both the sides. Cube on both the sides. So 3x minus 2y, the whole cube is equal to 11 cubed. Now this is a minus b, the whole cube, where a is 3x and b is 2y. A minus b, the whole cube. A minus b, the whole cube. This is a, this is b. So a cube minus b cube minus 3 into a into b into a minus b is equal to 11 into 11 into 11, which is 1331. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So you get 27x because 3x into 3x into 3x. 2y into 2y into 2y. And here 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. X into y is xy, 18xy. And this one as it is. is equal to 1331. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 18. 18 into xy. 18xy. Now you have all these values. Xy is given in the question 12, and this also is given in the question 11. So find this product, transpose 3707 is the value of 27x cubed minus 8y cubed. How many of you got this? Nobody?
Ritsa,
Ritsa, you got it? Very good. Nobody else?
Ma'am, got the answer, ma'am. Renu.
Renu got it. Okay. Who else?
Ma'am, I have got the same answer.
Very good, Bhavishya. Okay. Hari Pranav?
Miss,
Yeah. Are you following? Any
Miss.
questions?
No, miss.
Okay. Have you worked this, Hari Pranav? Have you got this answer or you understood now?
Miss, I understood, miss, but I didn't do, miss.
Okay, very good. Okay, no problem.
Yes.
Okay, so similar question here, children. Similar question. Here it was 27x cubed minus 8y cubed. So here find p cubed minus q cubed. So you can do it both the ways. You can either see, not everywhere I've given the alternate solution. So here you can see you have p minus q is equal to 10 by 9. We need to find p cubed minus q cubed. All right. So it depends on which identity you want to use. It depends on which identity you want to use. So p cubed minus q cubed is equal to, see, one is cubing on both the sides. That's what I've done here, children. The alternate solution is cubing on both the sides. The alternate solution is cubing on both the sides. Okay. The other one which I've done is p cube minus q cube. If supposing you use this formula, p minus q into p squared plus pq plus q squared. Supposing you want to use this formula. Okay, or suppose it's given. Using this identity, find the value of p cubed minus q cubed. Using this identity, find the value of p cubed minus q cubed. So we have the value of p minus q, 10 by 9. We have the value of pq, 5 by 3. So we need to find the value of p squared plus q squared. We need to find the value of p squared plus q squared. So to find p squared plus q squared, you must write this one, p minus q is equal to 10 by 9. Square this one on both the sides and find the value of p squared plus q squared, and then substitute all the values in this formula and evaluate p cubed minus q cubed. Okay, so that's what you see in the first working. So in the first working, why have we done all this? Why all this? Why all this? Because if you have to evaluate p cubed minus q cubed using this identity, p minus q into p squared plus q squared plus p cubed. A cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. If you want to use this identity, then you need the values of p minus q. That's there in the question, 10 by 9. You need the value of pq. That also is there in the question, 5 by 3. You need the value of p squared plus q squared. No, that we don't have. So we need to find that. We need to find that. So in order to find the value of p squared plus q squared, we write out this equation, p minus q is equal to 10 by 9 and square it on both the sides. So you get p minus q the whole square is equal to 10 by 9 the whole square. This is a minus b the whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. P minus q the whole square, a minus b the whole square is a square plus b square. It's always a square plus b square. It's plus 2ab if it is a plus b the whole square. It is minus 2ab if it is a minus b the whole square. So p square plus q square minus 2pq is equal to 10 by 9 into 10 by 9 is this one. Now take the value of pq, 5 by 3. 5 by 3. So this becomes minus 10 by 3. Minus 10 by 3. On the other side, plus 10 by 3. So the value of p square plus q square is 370 by 81. On taking the LCM, you get 370 by 81. On taking the LCM. So now we found the value of p square plus q square. Substitute p minus q. So as I told you, if it's given or if it is asked to find the value of p cubed minus q cubed using this identity, then we have to find the value of p square plus q square, which we just finished. Now write the identity, substitute the values. P minus q is 10 by 9. This one we just found. And this one is given in the question. Now here you need to take the LCM and simplify this into 10 by 9, which is 5050 by 729. So this is one approach. The alternate solution says take down this, cube it on both the sides. So when you cube on both the sides, a minus b the whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b is equal to 10 by 9 into 10 by 9 into 10 by 9 is 1000 by 729. Now we have the value of pq, we have the value of p minus q in the question. Substitute, multiply, transpose, take the LCM to simplify, take the LCM to simplify, and this is the final answer, 5050 by 729. I'll let you. So the rest of it, I want you to complete it as homework. We'll see the answers on Tuesday. In Tuesday's class, we'll see the answers to the rest of the questions. Yeah. 14 to 26 answers we'll see on Tuesday. So please complete it. I'll not give you time during the class. Please complete it. We'll discuss the answers and you can take the screenshots if you want. All right. Children, I'm going to end this meeting. I'll share another link with you. Please join the meeting using that link. All right. I'm sharing another link. All of you leave this meeting and join the meeting using the other link. Okay. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.